has been projected that the population of Lagos will rise to about 24 million by 2035. One of the direct effects of this is the rapid influx of Lagos residents into Abeokuta. The completed Lagos-Abeokuta fast rail construction is set to ease the population strain on Lagos and make daily commute from Abeokuta to Lagos much easier than it presently is. Close proximity to Lagos and recent rapid urbanization has made a strong future appreciation of properties in Abeokuta a certainty. This video is for educational purposes, appropriate audiences. Therefore, it is made merely for travel purposes only.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet inside. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet inside. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under